What's up guys, Rancer here, and today I got a Lego Moc to show you guys. This is something that I kind of built because I'm wanting to start to create a Lego city, and the first thing that I thought of in my mind was, well, if I'm going to build a city, I might as well start off with some construction vehicles. So this is one of the construction vehicles that I decided to come up with. I didn't. Oops, sorry about that. I just touched the camera. I didn't. Um, I didn't make this with like pictures and stuff. This isn't like some type of model or anything. It's just a backhoe that I made, and I think it's pretty good for detail and everything. You got your little bucket in the front. It can be elevated. It can also tilt that way, and it also has a little hinge right there, so it can go even further if I wanted to. And another thing is I had that hinge so I can put other things besides just that bucket on there. So if I wanted to put like a forklift type of thing, I can do that. Same thing with the little bucket back here. It also has a hinge thing, so that I could put something like this. So I can also put something like this. Hold on, let me see if I can. It's just a little crane hook. It's probably not focusing. There it goes. Right there. Okay. So I have that as a little accessory. I need to be careful with this. Another thing is has these little things. Now it can't really touch that bottom, but I can go ahead, build it up, and make it so it does touch. I just need probably another, like a 1x3 brick right there. 1x1x3. I have the little headlights up here. The little, I don't know what you call these, some orange lights that flicker around knowing that they're here in the night. I have this light so they can see what they're digging up at night. And it's pretty good. I think I did pretty good for this first mock that I made. You can also see, I don't know if you can see him, but let's see. There he is. You can see him. He can fit right there. He can also face backwards so that he's facing the little bucket. I really don't know anything about these names and stuff. I just know what I created was a backhoe. Size dimension, I think it's pretty good. I'm liking the size of it. It could have been, I could have made it a little smaller. It's about, I'd say it's about, for thickness, I'd say about 12 studs across. Just a little less than 12 studs, maybe. And then about this way, for this way, I really don't know, because you still have these extending right here, which is, I'd say probably like to those 24 by 2 plates. And let's see, what else? You can see the little tail lights that I have on here. I don't know how many pieces this took. It probably took, I'd say, for an estimate, around, I'd say around 200, 300, that range. Because there's a lot of little tiny things there. Another thing that I did, I don't know, hold on. I don't know if you can see this, but right there, I got some hooks, so I can sit there and I can go ahead and put any tools that I want right there. And it doesn't really, it doesn't reach the little tail lights. So you can put a shovel or whatever that you want on there. That's about it. Is there anything else that I want to say? This build took me probably, it took me a good, like 3-4 days to do. The hardest part was just kind of make sure that this area in here looked pretty good and kind of sloped. Had this kind of slope while this still had was able to connect here. And that was I did a really good job on that. Some things that are missing that I need to find the pieces, but they're in this giant bin that I need to go through and sort out. Was another one of these pieces. One of these pieces, so I can put it on there. And that's pretty much it. I will be putting out instructions if you want to go ahead and make your own. So I'm going to be doing instructions from Lego Digital Designer. I'll put them out and let you go ahead and download that. So thanks for watching. Subscribe and like if you really like the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.